let us draw and label the common features of a typical vertebra. Here I have chosen the thoracic vertebra, but we will be discussing about the common feature. Now here you can see the vertebral foramen. We all know what is the function of the spinal cord is to contain the vertebral column is to contain the spinal cord. So let us imagine and draw the spinal cord like this. So spinal cord is contained inside the vertebral foramen. I'm trying to draw, okay, I'm finding it difficult. Okay, so this, let's imagine this is the weird picture of the spinal cord, and here is the anterior and here is the posterior part. Now we are going to contain, or we are going to imagine you are going to make a shelter for the spinal cord. So first we have to have a base or a body. Okay, this is the body of the vertebral body. So here is the vertebral body here. Okay, so that's a vertebral body. Now we have to make a kind of a ceiling and a pillar. So the pillar is actually made by this pedicle. Okay, that's a pillar or the pedicle. Okay, that's a pedicle. Now we have to make the ceiling. Okay, on the spinal cord. That ceiling is formed by a sheet or the lamina. Okay, sheet or the lamina. All right, yeah, that's a lamina. This sheet or the lamina spikes backwards like a spinous process. Okay, that's a spinous process. So very easy method to remember. So we are just contained the spinal cord by a body, either side the pedicle, and laterally by the lamina, and posteriorly by the spinous process. Now, at the junction of this pedicle and the lamina, there is a transverse process. Okay, which projects transversely, or else we can take it like this. This lamina projects backwards as spinous process and transversely as the transverse process. So there is a transverse process. So from this view, which is the superior view of the vertebra, you can draw and learn how the vertebra is formed. Thank you.